Hello YouTube, today I am doing a, hold on. So basically I am gonna do a giveaway. And first I'm gonna show you my inventory. It's basically everything. I'm sure it is. Hold on. I don't have much classics. And then, so I am so there's a murder mystery list, and I'm a collector. It shows me on the list. So I'll put that in the link. And one of the giveaways is going to be for my friend Kiyomi, or my friend Chloe T. And there's some people that I know that I promised I would give them stuff, but so I friended my friend Kiyomi, okay, and then I'm gonna give her some things, like a couple godlies. But she's on mobile, but she's on iPad, so if you're on what's it called? If you're on a phone, you cannot trade, but if you're, and then so if you're on phone, you can't trade, but if you put your name in the descriptions and then subscribe, then I will put your name in the giveaway. Now spin the wheel. Who's gonna win? This is a good one. Bro, she didn't even stab me. She's probably mobile then. She probably has auto stab. So wait, hold on. Let me do something. Okay. This is pretty much my outfit. I can show you my inventory things. Hold on. There we go. I'll show you my avatar things. Because a lot of people can't see my stuff because one of them trying to check it, but so I got the black iron antlers, the amethyst antlers, the silver thorn antlers. I got it's not like these are my shirts. I'm waiting for the Clockwork headphones to come out so I can do a lot of people do this. It's where they put the top hat, the glasses, the antlers, and then the Clockwork headphones. But I was about to do the Black Iron Commando with the top hat and antlers, but it looks alright with it, I guess. I mean, I would say, but it's okay. For some reason, it's not recording my hunter screen, probably. This is recording this, but that's fine. And then these are my emotes. I got Zen, Dab, Ninja Reset, my radios, toys, pets. I mean, there's some rare stuff, but the best knife in the game, it's like Fortnite when they do that. Like, they keep bring rare skins back, except, I mean, I don't think Renegade Raiders ever come back. Honestly, because it was in a seasonal shop. It was a season shop. So it might not come back. Now I'm just gonna do some gameplay in this. Sorry if you guys can hear my keyboard. Sorry if you won't probably like that. And right now I'm on a desktop. I'm getting stuck. After that, I'm probably gonna end the video. This is only gonna last 15 minutes. I would have to upgrade the time then. Oh! You didn't even see me walk past him. Oh. I guess that's gonna do it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Roblox. I'll leave my Discord in the description and DM me on Discord if you wanna make deals. And then yeah, peace out.